Hello friends, welcome to Finance MCQ channel where we are bringing you all the latest updates of government jobs in finance domain. So let's begin and unwrap the jobs of this week. The first vacancy is from State Bank of India for the recruitment of specialist credit officers where there are total 86 vacancies of various fields. So let's go through vacancies relevant to finance domain candidates. So the first set of vacancies for the recruitment of risk specialist sector at scale 3 and scale 2 level. Friends, the educational qualification asked here is either a CA or CFA or MBA or postgraduate diploma in management with specialization in finance, data analytics, business analytics or MSc statistics. Friends, there are total 10 vacancies, 5 each for both the scales. Friends, the upper limit is 30 years. It's a permanent post of employment and the experience asked for scale 3 risk specialist officer is 4 years at specified sectors. Friends, here specified sectors include power, hydrocarbon and petrochemicals, real estate, roads and EPC, etc. And for scale 2 risk specialist sector officer, you need to have 2 years at specified sector, which includes automobiles, textiles, food processing, service industries, precious metals, etc. Friends, the package here will be for scale 3 officers, it is 12.7 lakhs gross as applicable to the middle management grade scale 3 level. And for scale 2 risk specialist officer at sector will be 10 lakhs gross for as applicable to MMGS 2 level. Friends, you have to apply online by 8th October 2020. Next vacancy is for the recruitment of portfolio management specialist at scale 2 level. The education qualification asked again is CA, CFA, MBA, PGDM with specialization in finance, data analytics, business analytics or MSc in statistics. Friends, there are total 3 vacancies. The upper limit is 30 years. Again, a permanent nature of employment vacancy, friend. But you need to have 2 years of experience in portfolio management. The package would be 10 lakhs gross as applicable to MMGS 2 level. The mode of application and last date is also same. Next set of vacancies for the recruitment of risk specialist credit at scale 3 and scale 2 level. Friends, the educational qualification asked here is again the same. The number of vacancies here is 4 vacancies, 2 each for both scales. The upper limit is 30 years. It's a permanent nature of employment, friends. The experience here is for scale 3 risk specialist officer credit, you need to have 4 years of experience in credit risk and risk modeling. And for scale 2, you need to have 2 years in credit risk and risk modeling. The package for scale 3 officer will be 12.7 lakhs gross and for scale 2 it will be rupees 10 lakhs gross respectively. It's an online mode of application to be done by 8th October 2020. Next set of vacancies for the recruitment of 1 vacancies of risk specialist enterprise at scale 2 level and 4 vacancies of risk specialist officer INDAS at scale 3 level. Friends, again the education qualification here is same, which is either a CA or CFA or MBA or postgraduate diploma in management with specialization in finance, data analytics, business analytics or MSc in statistics. Friends, the upper limit and nature of employment is also same. However, here the experience asked for risk specialist enterprise is 2 years in enterprise risk and risk modeling, while for INDAS officer it will be 4 years in credit risk and risk modeling. Friends, for enterprise risk specialist officer the package would be 10 lakhs gross and for INDAS officer it will be 12.7 lakhs gross as applicable to MMGS 3 level. Friends, it's an online mode of application again and you have to apply by 8th October 2020. So friends, good thing about all these vacancies is that there will not be any written exam and the selection will be based purely on interview basis. So those who meet the qualification criteria can go ahead and apply for these vacancies. Next vacancy is from Northeastern Regional Institute of Water and Land Management, which is under administrative control of Department of Water Resources, Ministry of Jal Shakti, Government of India, for the recruitment of 1 post of accounts officer. Friends, here the educational qualification asked is a degree from a recognized university. The upper limit is 56 years. It's a post on deputation, friends. So that means those who are already in government service are eligible to apply. Friends, here the experience is holding analogous post or having 2 years of experience at level 8 or 3 years of experience at level 7 or 8 years at level 6 of 7 CPC. The package would be 10.5 lakhs gross. It's an offline mode of application to be done by 24th November 2020. Next vacancy is from National Institute for Empowerment of Persons with Multiple Disability, which is under Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment, for the recruitment of 1 post of Administrative Officer Consultant. The educational qualification asked is a postgraduate degree or MBA. Friends, there is no upper age limit to apply for these vacancies. It's a post on contractual, and the experience here will be those who are having experience even in the nature of contractual or temporary basis of 5 years at government or semi-government or quasi-government or PSUs or autonomous bodies can apply here, since they have not asked any regular vacancies experience here. The package would be 40,000 per month consolidated, and you have to apply offline within 20 days of publishing of this advertisement at employment newspaper. Next vacancy again from the same organization for the recruitment of one post of accountant consultant. The educational qualification here will be commerce graduation, and the age limit, there is no upper age limit. It's a contractual post again, friends, and you need to have experience of 2 years in government or semi-government or quasi-government PSUs or autonomous body. Friends, here the consolidated per month package you will get will be 35,000 per month, and the mode of application and last date is also same as shown in the previous slide. Next vacancy is from National Council for Vocational Education and Training, which is under Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship, Government of India, for the recruitment of one post of Assistant Accounts Officer. The education qualification asked is a bachelor's degree in commerce. Friends, here the upper limit is 56 years. It's a post on deputation for those who are holding analogous post or having 5 years of experience at level 6. The package would be 8.5 lakhs gross. It's an offline mode of application to be done by 9th November 2020. Next vacancy again from the same organization for the recruitment of one post of assistant accounts. The educational qualification asked here is bachelor's degree and knowledge of Tally ERP. The age limit, nature of employment is also same. Friends, experience here is either you should be holding analogous post or should be having 6 years at level 5 or 10 years at level 4 of the 7th CPC. The package would be 6.85 lakhs gross. Again, an offline mode of application to be done by 9th November 2020. Next vacancy is from Bihar State Milk Cooperative Federation Limited for the recruitment of 39 vacancies of accounts assistant. Friends, here the educational qualification is graduation in commerce. The upper limit is 37 years. It's a permanent nature of employment, friends, and the experience is 2 years in reputed organization. So friends, those who are already working in private organizations are also eligible to apply for these vacancies. The package would be 5 lakhs gross. It's an online mode of application to be done by 7th November 2020. A gentle reminder, friends, those who are preparing for SEBI Grade A Officer exam, please visit financemcq.in website, where the entire SEBI Grade A exam technical syllabus is covered in MCQ format. Friends, this technical syllabus is having 100 marks in phase 1 and is also having 2/3 weightage of your phase 2 exam of SEBI Grade A Officer exam. Friends, in this website, we are providing 2000 plus subject-wise, topic-wise MCQ questions to practice. Friends, we have added explanation for correct answers wherever required. Apart from these, we are providing 25 national level test series covering the entire technical syllabus for more and more practice. Moving on. Next vacancy is again from the same organization, Bihar State Milk Cooperative Federation Limited, for the recruitment of 31 vacancies of marketing assistant. Friend, the education qualification asked is a graduation in any discipline, and you don't need to have any experience to apply for these vacancies. The upper limit is 37 years. It's a permanent nature of employment, friends. The package would be around 5 lakhs. It's an online mode of application to be done by 7th November 2020. Next vacancy again from the same organization for the recruitment of 72 vacancies of procurement assistant, and the education qualification here is graduation in any discipline. The upper limit is 37 years. It's a permanent post, but you need to have 2 years of experience in organizing and supervision of primary cooperative milk society. Friends, the package would be 5 lakhs gross, and it's an online mode of application again to be done by 7th November 2020. Next vacancy is from Central Electronics Limited, a public sector enterprise which is under Department of Scientific and Industrial Research under Ministry of Science and Technology, Government of India, for the recruitment of manager finance. Friends, the qualification here is either a CA or CMA. There are 2 vacancies. The upper limit is 38 years. Friends, a permanent post, but you need to have 9 years of post-qualification experience to apply for these vacancies. The package would be 13.27 lakhs. It's an online mode of application to be done by 6th November 2020. Friends, again, recruitment from the same organization for the post of accounts officer. There is 1 vacancy. The qualification is either a CA or CMA. The upper age limit is 30 years. It's a contractual post here, friends. You need to have 2 years of experience to apply for this vacancy. Here you will get 7.83 lakhs per annum. It's an online mode of application to be done by 6th November 2020. That's all friends for this week. Thank you very much for watching. See you all next week. Till then, take care and goodbye.